Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you send or add GIF from Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord at very first, and after this you have to open any of the chat where you would like to send GIF, such as I'm opening this application and you will directly get this option of GIF into here, where you can also search so many files. For example, I'm selecting this smile GIF, and then if you tap into any of the GIF that you like, it will be sent into the chat. If you couldn't find any GIF into here but you have the file or the link, you just simply have to open that website. To show, I'm opening this website of Giphy V Animated, our own GIF provider. Just simply open this site, and after that you can just simply pick the GIF which you would like to send into Discord chat. I'm just simply copying link of this GIF by tapping into this copy link button and opening Discord again. Now just simply paste the link into the chat and then send it. Then the GIF will successfully be sent. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.